Welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'll be making homemade marshmallows, so please stick around and watch this video. The ingredients are 2 cups of white sugar. We have some powdered sugar here, 1/3 cup of corn syrup, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 cup of water, 1 cup of cold water, and I have 2 packets of gelatin, unflavored gelatin. First, I'm gonna start by blooming the gelatin. I'm gonna add 1/2 cup of cold water and add the 2 packets of gelatin on top. You're just gonna leave this aside for about a few minutes, at least 10 to 15 minutes, and now we're gonna move on to the next step. So we're gonna leave this aside to bloom. Now we're gonna move on to the sugar mixture. In a saucepan, I'm gonna add 1/2 cup of cold water. I'm gonna add the sugar. I'm gonna add the corn syrup. Adding the teaspoon of salt, and now we're just gonna give this a slight mix. And this is the only time we're gonna mix it, at this stage right now. Now we're gonna bring everything to a boil under a medium-high heat. Let the mixture go for about 6 to 10 minutes until the syrup reaches 240 degrees. I'm gonna take some of the sugar mixture out and pour it into a cold water, and if it form a soft texture like this, if it form a soft ball, it is ready. In case you don't have any sugar thermometer, you can do this trick. If it's too hard, the heat is too high, and if it dissolves, the sugar is not ready yet. So you can do this little trick. See, soft ball. The gelatin is bloom, and now we're gonna add the sugar mixture. So this is what you want it to look like. And don't forget the vanilla, because I almost forgot it, the vanilla extract. You want to ensure that you grease your baking tin or pan, whatever you're using. Ensure that you grease this well. You want to remove this from the container quick as possible, because it will stick and get hardened. So as soon as you finish whipping it up, you remove it from the container. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add some powdered sugar on top. I'm gonna sift it. And now you wanna set this aside until the top is not tacky. It's not sticky. So at least for 3 to 4 hours you wanna set this aside. On a clean surface, I'm gonna add some powdered sugar. Now it's time to take the marshmallow out. And then we're gonna add some more powdered sugar. I'm gonna sift this with powdered sugar because you don't want it to be sticky. And you can cut into it. So you want the sides and the top. You want to go ahead and powder sugar your hands too. Ensure that your hand is powdered. Ooh, feeling awesome. This is really nice. You also want to go ahead and powder sugar your knife. So we're gonna cut this into squares. See? Soft. So I'm gonna add some more powdered sugar to it as we cut along. This is feeling so satisfying. Oh my goodness. Wait till Maya sees this. So we're cutting to it. And you can cut smaller sizes. You don't have to cut big sizes. Do whatever you like. Big, small, medium, any size you like, guys. So as you cut along, you powder the sides of the marshmallow. I'm gonna cut this back into size. And subscribe if you aren't already. Subscribe and like and share. Here you have it, guys, my homemade marshmallows. They're looking so nice. Look at this. Oh my goodness, my homemade marshmallow. Thanks for watching, guys. Now I'm gonna make Maya do a taste test and tell me if they taste good and taste like marshmallow. Tastes like marshmallow? The real thing? Can't believe it, right? Mommy did it! I did it. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye. See you in my next one. Go ahead and make yourself some marshmallow.